15 cold veggie dishes you must eat in spring. Last one worth a fortune. First dish, blanch cucumber in hot water. Bet 99% of you never saw this, or even tasted it. Sharing the recipe with you today. Start with fresh tree-picked cucumber. Trim off both ends. Boil water. Drop in cucumber. Blanching removes cucumber's bitter bite. Also clears pesticide residue and bugs. Blanch 20 seconds, then scoop out. I share a home dish daily. Just hit follow. Next time you're hungry, I'm here. Slice it, sprinkle some sugar. Toss it evenly. Marinate 8 minutes. Sugar-marinated cucumber turns crisp and sweet. Never rinse with water, trust me. Drain excess liquid. Add onion and minced garlic. Half spoon soy sauce, Xiaomi chili. Half spoon for vinegar. Pinch of salt, splash of sesame oil. 18 peanuts, handful of cilantro. Mix it up with my hands. This smacked cucumber stays super crisp. Master this, you've got a signature dish. Save it and try it now. Second dish, most folks don't know. Don't just stir-fry those bean sprouts. Try my cold-tossed bean sprouts. Light and refreshing. Beats big meaty dishes any day. Rinse green bean sprouts in cold water. Boil water, toss in sprouts. Blanch 30 seconds, then fish out. Run under cold water. Some folks watch videos in silence, but they'll quietly like to cheer me on. Those kind souls have big hearts. Squeeze out sprout water, back into the bowl. Add shredded cucumber, minced garlic, dried chili. Sizzle hot oil for aroma. Cover, quick steam for 1 minute. Add soy sauce, rice vinegar, salt. Pinch of MSG, touch of sugar. Mix with both hands, ready to eat. Learned it, give it a shot. Third dish, listen up now. Most mess up cold onion mix. Salty first is a big no. That's a rookie mistake. Takes me just 10 seconds to show you the tastiest onion trick. Peel onion first. Slice it down the middle. Cut into thickish threads. Into a bowl. 2 spoons sugar, mix it up. This tames onion's sharp sting. Marinate 10 minutes, drain juice. Rinse with cold water, wipe clean. I drop a home dish every day. Please tap that heart to cheer me. Thanks a ton. Squeeze dry, toss in bowl. Add garlic slices, Xiaomi chili, blanched wood ear, cilantro bits. Toss in 18 peanuts if you've got 'em. Salt, MSG, soy sauce, vinegar, sesame oil. Mix with your pretty little hands. Dig in now. Cold onion done this way. Crisp and refreshing. Can't stop eating it. Love it, save and make it soon. Fourth dish, a hotel chef's secret. Mushroom magic. Just steam it up. Served, it's a must-order star dish. Tear mushrooms into bite-sized chunks. Pour in some spring water. Add 1 spoon salt. Help scrub off mushroom dirt. Gets rid of grime. Drain the water. Steam for 8 minutes. I share easy home dishes daily. Like it, give me a follow. Hungry later, I'm your go-to. Once steamed, add minced garlic. Sprinkle some green onion. Dash of Xiaomi chili. Spoon of white sesame. Spoon of chili flakes. Drizzle hot oil to wake aromas. Season with soy sauce. Spoon of aged vinegar. Bit of oyster sauce. Salt, MSG. Spoon of sugar. Handful of peanuts. Bunch of cilantro. Mix with your money-making hands. Time to chow down. Cold mushrooms turn tender and flavorful. Perfect with drinks or rice. Go try it quick. Fifth dish, got spinach at home. Do it my way. Easier than cooking meat. Cut spinach into long strips. Boil water, add cooking oil. Keeps greens vibrant, not black. Toss in enoki and carrots. Add spinach, blanch 1 minute, drain. Rinse with cold water. Squeeze out moisture. Shred ginger, set aside. Can't recall all this? No worries. Save this video with a heart. Handy for next time. Hungry and clueless, I'm here. Old minced garlic. White sesame, dried chili. Hot oil sizzles the flavors. Salt, sugar, soy sauce, vinegar, sesame oil. Magic cold dressing is ready. Pour over spinach. Mix with your hands, dig in. Spinach with enoki, this way. Break with drinks or rice. Simple as that. Tell me you got this. Sixth dish, blanched broccoli. Broccoli stumps lots of folks. No clue how to make it tasty. Next time you grab broccoli, follow my lead. Tastier than dragon meat. Locks in all the nutrients. Add 1 spoon salt. 1 spoon flour. Soak in water 10 minutes. This cleans out broccoli's hidden bugs and pesticide leftovers. Rinse with clean water. Now it's safe to eat. Heat up a pot. Add 1 spoon salt. Gives it base flavor. 1 spoon oil. Keeps broccoli bright green. Water boils, drop in broccoli. I've posted over 800 recipes. Still no heart from you. I'm kinda crushed. This video. Please tap a free heart for me. Pretty please. Boil 1 minute, then scoop out. Heads down in a bowl. Cover with a plate. Flip it over. Makes a fancy little shape. Top with garlic, red pepper. Hot oil sparks the flavor. Drizzle spoon of steamed fish sauce. Broccoli stays green, not dark. Pretty and tasty. Learned it, like and save it. 7th dish Grandma always said. Middle age means vinegar-soaked peanuts. Good for your body. Old herbalist taught me this. No fry, no boil, no oil. Worth saving. 2 dimes peanuts in a bowl. Soak in warm water 1 hour. Slice cucumber, set aside. Some watch videos in peace. Quietly tap a like. Those folks are sweet and kind, full of warm hearts. Unlike some who watch and ditch. Zero love to spare. Drain soaked peanuts, steam 20 minutes. Once steamed, toss in bowl. Season it up. 2 spoons soy sauce, 2 spoons aged vinegar, 1 spoon sugar, drizzle of sesame oil, ginger, garlic, green, red peppers, cilantro. Mix with my eating spoon. Vinegar peanuts get better with every chew. Eat a while, you'll see surprises. Go whip it up. 8th dish got eggplant at home. Skip the stir fry, try my trick. Eggplant beats meat hands down. Peel eggplant, slice in half. Steam 10 minutes once water boils. Okay, onions are green onion, chili flakes, white sesame, hot oil for aroma. Add soy sauce, aged vinegar, oyster sauce, salt, MSG, sugar, some cilantro bits. Stir it all together. Dressing is good to go. Cool steamed eggplant. Tear into small strips. Pour on the dressing. Easy, tasty cold eggplant done. Like it? Give it a try. 9th dish weather's heating up. Don't always fry that lettuce stem. This trick you've gotta try. Crisp and tender, super easy to make. Peel lettuce stem, slice it up. Cut into threads, not too thin. Water on boil, add 1 spoon salt, dash of cooking oil. This little hack works for any green veggie. Keeps color green, not yellow. Blanch 30 seconds, drain it. Plate it up. Bowl with garlic, dried chili threads. Hot oil sizzles, aroma. Spoon soy sauce, pinch sugar, dash vinegar. Mix it up. Dressing is set. Pour over blanched lettuce stem. This season, it's the way. My family eats it 8 times weekly. 10th dish, pay attention. Got cabbage at home. Do it my way. Beats fish and meat every time. Easier than boiling water. Slice cabbage stems into thick threads. Soak in cold water. Add splash of vinegar 10 minutes. Makes cabbage threads extra crisp. I've shared 666 home dishes. Still no heart from you. Today just tap 1. Thanks a bunch. Drain and bowl it. Add red pepper, soaked vermicelli, carrot threads, garlic, season it. Salt, MSG, spoon sugar, spoon soy sauce. Spoon vinegar, dash sesame oil. Handful cilantro, 38 peanuts. No hot oil, trust me, keeps it crisp, not soggy. Mix with my 30-year single speed. Toss evenly, ready to eat. Cold cabbage threads this way, crisp and refreshing. New Year's dinner table. First dish to vanish. 11th dish, never been to Beijing. Still gotta try. Old Beijing's must-eat tiger salad. Crisp and refreshing. Tasty and light. Eat tons, no guilt. Slice green pepper in half. Remove the seeds. Cut into thin threads. Grab scallion whites, shred them. Rinse cilantro, trim roots. Chop into even bits. Into a bowl. Pinch salt, pinch sugar, splash soy sauce. Spoon sesame oil. Add peanuts if you've got 'em. Chopsticks, toss evenly, dig in. No appetite days. Tiger salad saves you. 12th dish got potatoes at home. Master this cold potato threads. Crisp, tasty with rice. Beats fish and meat any day. Slice big scavenged potato into threads, then into slices. Potato threads don't go too thin, just keep 'em even thick or thin. Soak threads in cold water. Rinse off extra starch. Boil water, drop in threads. Spoon of white vinegar. Green pepper thread for color. I teach food with heart daily. Still no heart from you. Last video was a flop. This one. Tap a free heart please. Big thanks. Blanch 1 minute, scoop out. Cold rinse, squeeze dry. Bowl with green onion, garlic, chili. Hot oil sparks flavor. Spoon soy sauce. 2 spoons aged vinegar. Dash oyster sauce, sugar for pop. Salt, MSG. Touch sesame oil. 8 spoon toasted sesame. Pour dressing over potato threads. Toss evenly, time to eat. Cold potato threads, spicy, crisp. Tasty with rice. Learned it, save and try. 13th dish, try water spinach this way. Crisp and refreshing. Beats meat dishes by miles. Snap cheap water spinach into bits. Boil water, add salt, oil. Toss in spinach, blanch 30 seconds. Quick rinse in cold water. Keeps greens bright, not dark. Bowl with garlic, dried chili, sesame. Hot oil wakes the aroma. Spoon soy sauce, vinegar, salt, sugar. Cold dressing is ready. Drizzle over spinach. Light and grease cutting. Crazy good. 14th dish, who'd have thought? Best cold dish is tuna with tofu. Perfect for spring vibes. Easy to whip up. Fresh and fragrant. Tasty and light. Start with tofu. Cut into small chunks. Tune snatched from next door. Trim off roots. Rinse with well water. Boil water. Cook tofu, lose beanie taste. Blanch tune till color shifts. Rinse in cold water. I share simple home dishes daily. Like it, hit follow. Hungry later, I've got you. Squeeze out water. Dice into tiny bits. Bowl it, season up. Salt and MSG. Spoon sesame oil. Gently mix with your hands. Tune tofu turns fresh and fragrant. Tasty and light. Love it, make it for family. 15th dish, don't eat radish raw. Do it my way. Crisp, refreshing cuts grease. Super easy too. New Year's feast needs this. Pairs with drinks and rice. Rinse white radish, trim ends. Slice into thin rounds. Cut into even threads. I teach cooking with heart daily. Please like to cheer me on. Big thanks. Threads into a bowl. Extra sugar, toss it up. Marinate and miss. Cuts radishes, spicy kick. Drain extra juice. Add clean water. Rinse off excess sugar. Squeeze dry for cold dishes. Makes flavors soak in better. Add garlic, Xiaomi chili. Spoon soy sauce. Spoon aged vinegar. Dash sesame oil. Sprinkle cilantro if you've got it. Mix with your lucky hands. Cold radish threads, spicy, refreshing. Tasty and light. Learned it, get cooking.